There's this thing about travel. You don't really know a place until you walk it. Fly, drive, ride, sure, but the pulse? You feel it on foot, smells from a bakery, snippets of conversation, textures under your shoes. This is Global Glimpse. Today, the 10 most walkable cities in the U.S. and how to see them. Ditch the car, pocket the phone, get lost in the best way possible. We sent the drone up, walked the miles, and found them. 10 cities built for people, not just for cars. First stop, New York City. New York doesn't just invite walking, it demands it. Simple grid, avenues one way, streets the other. Navigate by instinct. Millions moving with purpose. Join the current. Skip Times Square. Pick a neighborhood. West Village, East Village, Soho, and wander. The subway is your launch pad. Pop up, explore on foot, dive back down. Walk score 88. Numbers aside, it's hyper walkable. The real city lives between the lines. San Francisco makes you work. Every climb pays with a view. Turn a corner. Boom, the Golden Gate. Mission murals to Castro slopes to hate color in an afternoon. Cable cars, streetcars, buses, walking's best friend on the hills. Start at the ferry building, stroll the Embarcadero, then tackle the Filbert Steps to Coit Tower. Earn the view, understand the city. Boston twists like history itself. Cowpaths turn streets. Follow the red line, no map, no guide. Just walk through the American story. Beacon Hill and the North End, dense, human-scaled, best on foot. Highway buried, parks raised, the Rose Kennedy Greenway reconnects the city. Walk slow. Boston is a city of details. Tip, do the Freedom Trail, then get lost in Beacon Hill. A city planned to be walked. Avenues, circles, sightlines, 2 miles of green linking museums and memorials. Free museums, endless wandering, metro to DuPont or Georgetown, stroll, linger, repeat. Tip, walk the pool to Lincoln at dusk, quiet reverence, glowing stone, powerful and profoundly walkable. 18 uninterrupted miles along Lake Michigan, one of the world's great urban walks. Water on one side, architecture on the other, trains rumble overhead, the city's soundtrack. Picasso, Miro, and steel that scrapes the sky, industry turned promenade, Chicago from a new angle. Tip, start lakefront, dive into the loop, finish on the Riverwalk. Philly, a walker's dream that feels instantly manageable. Independence Hall, the Liberty Bell, history amid everyday life. Short blocks, tree-lined streets, parks around the corner. Route, City Hall to Old City, cheesesteak stop, end at Rittenhouse Square. Sit, watch, breathe. Philly, at its best. History, food, and modern life. On foot. Portland chose people over cars, tore down a highway, built a park. 200-foot blocks, more corners, more discovery. Pick a bridge, cross on foot, new neighborhoods await. Food carts, indie shops, coffee that guides your route. Embrace the weird, Portland rewards curiosity. Tip, pick a bridge, walk across, explore with no plan. Water, hills, coffee, Seattle walks in layers, markets flying fish, flowers, and hidden corridors. Puget Sound vistas and salty air on your stroll. Up the hill for nightlife, parks, and skyline views. Tip, dress in layers, walk early, watch the market wake up. Quintessential Seattle, best on foot. New Orleans is a vibe, a city that seduces you to slow down. Creole townhouses, hidden courtyards, another century underfoot. Music isn't a destination, it finds you. Walk to Frenchmen Street for live jazz, drift into colorful Bywater, streetcar for the long haul. You explore each stop. Tip, start with beignets and cafe au lait, then let the brass lead. Minneapolis surprises, with innovation and nature in tandem. Miles of enclosed skyway, walk the city in winter, coat unzipped. When it's warm, the sidewalks bloom, the Mississippi reborn, paths, parks, and mill history, water, industry, resilience, all in one walk. Tip, Skyway in winter, Stone Arch at summer sunset. 10 cities, 10 ways to live on foot. From relentless grids to historic twists, sunlit hills to brass-filled nights, great walking cities choose people first. Best tool for exploration? Not drones or cameras, your own 2 feet. Magic lives in the detours, when you slow down enough to see. Next trip, park the car, pocket the phone, pick a direction, and walk. Tell us your favorite walking city in the comments. Thanks for watching Global Glimpse.